Hello. Okay, so we're going for question 6 and onwards. See how many we can get done. A truck is used to transport some wood panels. Each wood panel is a cuboid measuring 2.4 meters by 1.2 by 1.8 centimeters. The density of each wood panel is 750 kilograms per meters cubed, and the truck can carry 15 tons of these wood panels. Now, I know that that's 15,000 kilograms, and that's going to be useful because we've got kilograms per meters cubed. Calculate the maximum number of wood panels that the truck can carry. So let's work out the volume of these wooden panels. So 2.4 times by 1.2 times by 0.018, because this is in centimeters and we need to convert that into meters. So it's going to be quite, it's like that's probably the height of it. So a wood panel is quite flat. So that's 18 millimeters. But that is going to be 0.018 for meters. Okay, multiply those through. So 2.4 times 1.2 times 0.018. And we get 0.05184. And that's meters cubed, which is the volume. Right, so our density, mass, and volume triangle means that when we want to find the mass of something, we're going to have to multiply the density by the volume. So this answer here, 0.05184, is going to be multiplied by 750, which is our density. So volume times by density gives us the mass, and that is 38.88 kilograms. Okay, how many of these can we fit inside the truck? So we get 15000, and we're going to divide that by 38.88. Was that the exact answer? Let me just check. Yeah, it was the exact answer. No rounding there. So 15,000 divided by 38.88. And we get 385.8024691. Now be very careful with this because we can make a rounding error. Of course, this number will round to 385. Will round to 386, but we can't have 386 because that's technically too heavy if it's above this number. So we have to round it down to 385 to truncate it. Okay, so that is our answer. Okay, question 7, 6 marks for that one. That's good. Okay, vectors A and B are shown on the grid. Right, A is a column vector. So X and Y movements. This has gone across 1, 2, 3, 4. Have I got a column vector there yet? So 4 goes on top, and it's gone down by 2 squares, meaning it's a negative 2. Right, B is a column vector. So this one again's gone right. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just going to write that there because this isn't just B. This is 4B. And then it goes up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's 4B. In order to find B, we need to divide both of those by 4. So 1 and 9 over 4. I can't get penalised for putting that as a fraction, but that is 2.25, and I will check that with the calculator because it's a calculator paper. So 2.25. Okay, scroll down. What have we got? Question 8. Oh, this looks wordy. Paper 3 is always wordy. It's always wordy. Right, Lee has toy bricks. She only has red and blue. Lee picks 2 bricks, one after the other. If the first brick she picks is red, the probability that the second brick is red is 2/3. If the first brick she picks is blue, the probability that the second brick is red is 7/10. Calculate the value of t. 4 marks. Wow. Right. Going to do a diagram here. Doesn't say it's being replaced. So we need red, blue, red, blue, red, and blue. So if the first one she picks is red, the probability the second brick is red is 2/3. 2/3. Okay, and then that means that's 1/3. What I'm thinking is, though, that she has got blue bricks and there's a probability of it. So this can't be 3/3 to then go to 2/3. So I'm going to unsimplify that and have 4/6, which makes that 2/6, which makes this previous pick 5/7 potentially. Okay, if she picks a blue one first, probably the second one is red, is 7 over 10. Okay, so that then makes 3 over 10. I feel as though I need to do this in a different way. All right, well, I can continue to unsimplify this. So this could then, in theory, be 6 over 9, which then makes this one, no, that would be over 10 when I go back. I need to find these as a common denominator here. This is what I need to do. So 6 over 9, or is it the lowest? Is it going to be the lowest common multiple question? Initially, this was 2 over 3. So that's going to be 30. So that's 20 over 30. This one here would be 10 over 30. This pick here would therefore be 21 over 30. Now we're looking at, this looks a lot better. And this one is 9 over 30. All right, and then if there's no... So if there's a red ball picked here, we've got 31 here. And that's going to be 21 out of 31. Good. And that's 10 out of 31. All right, there we go. We found it. And then toy bricks, calculate the value of t. Hold on, check the quote. Hopefully, that's all good. Just check the mark scheme on my other screen. It is correct. Right, question 9. I should have time for this one. X is directly proportional to y. Y is directly proportional to z. When x is 10, y is 60. Find a formula for z in terms of x. That's wordy as well. That's so hard to get into your mind. Right, so y will equal 6 lots of x. Happy with that. Because x times by something equals 60. And then z is directly proportional. So z equals, and then I do 1.6 divided by 8. Because actually here, we've done 60 divided by 10. So here we do 1.6 divided by 8. It gives me a fifth, which is 0.2. So z equals 0.2y. 8, I just want to check that 8 times by 0.2 is 1.6. Yeah, happy with that. So right, now I've done that, I can equate this. So z equals 0.2y. 5z will equal y. Therefore, 5z should equal 6x. And therefore, z should equal 6 over 5x. Or alternatively, z should equal 1.2x. There we go. Okay, happy with that? Right, I'm going to stop there and start off again at question 10. More words, fantastic. Love a wordy question. And I'll see you next time.